Section 2. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a vowel. The sound is A. A for orange. I want you to find the letter A on page 2 in your book. Page 2 looks like this. We're going to work with the sound A. Say the sound and words after me. A. A. A for ox. A for octopus. Let's read the sounds again. A for ox. A for octopus. We are now going to practice writing the sound A. Put your finger on the first A. I am now going to show you how to write the sound A. We go all the way around. It's a full circle. A is a circle. See where the pencil starts? That's where you start your A. I'm going to show you again. A all the way around. I want you to take your finger and trace around the A. Now please take a crayon and trace the first A. Now that you have traced the first A, let's go to the second A. Put your finger on the second A. I'm now going to show you how to write the second A. You go all the way around, touch the top and the bottom line and close your circle. I want you to trace it with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace the second A. Now that we have traced the second A, let's go to the last A. Put your finger on the last A. I'm now going to show you how to write the last A. We go round, all the way around, a nice circle. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now please take a crayon and trace the last A. Now that you have practiced writing the sound A, see if you can write the letter on your own. Now that you have finished writing the letter A, you can color in the orange. A for orange. I eat an orange every day. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to Classroom 1, Section 3.